Hello everyone, it's Ryan Long here from Boyer Lincoln Bobcaygeon, and today we have the brand new 2026 Lincoln Nautilus. This is a premier 101A package in the silver Radiance metallic paint. Beautiful looking Lincoln. Really nice front end on this vehicle. You have really nice rims. Those plastic covers are just because it just came in. Of course, those won't be on there when the customer receives the vehicle. Really nice light bar all the way across the back here. You do have your rear view camera and your rear parking sensors, front parking sensors as well. And there's your seats. You kind of have a split fold so you can see there. You have your left and right buttons. It just drops the seats automatically. This one, the only option on this vehicle is the spare tire, which is always nice to have. Power tailgate, of course. Really nice bright color interior. No sunroof on this trim level. Your rear climate controls, storage behind the driver and passenger seats. There is USB ports there as well. And there's cup holders that fold down and out of the center seat there. Love this interior color, nice and bright. You have your keyless entry keypad right here on the door. Coming around to the driver door. Really like how they style the doors in these Lincolns. Driver seat memory, power adjustable mirrors that are heated with blind spot monitoring. Automatic headlights, of course. Very comfortable front heated seats that are powered with Lumbar. Stepping into the vehicle. This one just got here, so it's still in transport mode. But you have your 48-inch panoramic display, which will show all your different type of information. Really nice steering wheel on here. You do have your cruise control settings. It is a heated steering wheel. You have your different climate controls across the bottom here, your shifter, wireless phone charging here, spot for your key, and you have a retractable cover. Storage here in the center console with more power options, and more storage over here in the glove box. Really beautiful Lincoln all the way around. I love the color scheme on this Lincoln. If you're interested in this vehicle, please reach out to me at Boyer Lincoln Bobcaygeon and ask for Ryan. You can reach me any time of the day at 705-738-2393 and ask for Ryan. During business hours. My cell is any time of the day, 647-546-9348. Once again, 647-546-9348. Thank you so much. I look forward to speaking with you and providing you with world-class customer service. Talk to you soon. Take care.